Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Section 05, Serverless. In this lesson, we're going to dive into the world of serverless computing. Serverless computing is a cloud computing model where the cloud provider manages the infrastructure and automatically allocates resources as needed. The key concept behind serverless computing is that you, as a developer, can focus on writing code without having to worry about managing servers. This is made possible by services like AWS Lambda, which allows you to run code in response to events without provisioning or managing servers. With serverless computing, you only pay for the compute time that your code actually uses, which can result in cost savings compared to traditional server-based architectures where you have to pay for the entire server, even if it's not fully utilized. Serverless architectures can also offer improved scalability and faster time to market for your applications, as you can quickly deploy and iterate on your code without the need to manage infrastructure. Overall, serverless computing is a powerful paradigm shift in cloud computing that offers benefits such as cost savings, scalability, and faster development cycles, making it an attractive option for modern application development.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.